For this opportunity to happen for us, yeah, how does that feel? It's a whole lot of things.
Today we have carried out a blessing in a ceremony so that our whānau can go into a new whare.
Celebrating in a life, a dream that I didn't actually think was going to be possible. I, 55 years older, I thought I had missed that opportunity, as I shared in here. And Ka Uruora, in support of my iwi, were able to make a dream come true that I thought had left my TV screen a long time ago. So I had resigned myself to never being a homeowner.
Just really humbled to be here for this opportunity that we've been given through Ka Uruora. It's, I mentioned life-changing maybe before, but the words don't describe what that actually is unless you're in it. I think it gives a base for us to move forward securely, feeling a lot more secure, having a foundation that we actually haven't really had before.
The Ka Uruora is amazing. It's an amazing vehicle for our whānau to get ahead. It's to convince our whānau that this isn't that hard. This is for real. This is a pathway to reach your goals. Yeah, and then when they start seeing it, it's like, yes, this is real. This is tangible. This is a thing. This is a real vehicle to success.
I think the significance of seeing the whānau move in today is really putting a full stop on a journey for them, but also for us is realising the aspiration of actually we've done something. Physically, people can see it. You can live the dream, as they say.
I want this for other whānau. I can't speak highly enough of this process. Please let it spread and please take the opportunity. Whānau, that's the message I have for whānau. If this can happen for us, it can happen for you.
Yeah, it's here, whānau. It's here for the taking. Just come and sign up. Sign up, registration. Your dreams could come true too. Yeah, it's mine have.